Exodus, Kenny. Poor boys outdoors. This morning we're pulling into Costa Maya. Captain's backing this big old ship in to the dock. Up before the roosters, we got a beach day today. The sun's trying to come up out the east. He's up there in the bridge trying to get us in. He's probably on the other side, on the port side. We're on the starboard side of the ship. Just got to love their driving skills down in Central America. Buses and cars don't move for nobody. Right here I thought we was going to hit the girl in the pink on the bicycle. She barely moved out the way in time.
Road connects with Cancun, with Chetumal, and with another tourism destinies. And right there in the front, it's possible to see the lighthouse. And the letters of Mahawal town. Right there is the beautiful place for pictures. The lighthouse and the name for Mahawal town. This is a little town. It's like a village. We shared only 3 different streets per 12 another one. That's a little one. And here we are. This is the entrance of the town.
I must be dumber than a rock. I mean, dumber than a rock. I'm just saying,
One of many of the local dogs that were on the street playing in the water.
A dog on a rock.
Security kept trying to run them off when we fed them.
Here on the lovely
The
day.
beach was a
Costa
very
Maya.
beautiful beach.
The swimming area, all exclusive.
Diva Diane strolling on the boardwalk. The Mardi Gras.
I was planning to, but I got on the ship, got my backpack on.
And there goes my bonus daughter, old crazy Madison. Side of the Mardi Gras. Shit. Here's the Carnival Dream. They just getting into port. We got here this morning. We're pulling out of Costa Maya finally. Long day. There's the lighthouse from earlier. It was actually over there with Beach Club. Today, running a little bit behind, leaving the dock. Pretty countryside. It's a modern day Mayan ruin right there near the port. Tourist attraction.
Here goes some of the food street vendors that were selling tacos, burritos, nachos, all your
Taco
staples.
stand, fruit stand. Say hey to poor boys
They saying
outdoors.
hey to poor boys outdoors.
Outdoors.
Taco Mexico taco.
There's Diva Diane again on her scooter.
Amigos down there.
Delicious corn. There's the food that we had. Like those
Diva.
two also.
Grandma right here. She drunk a little bit. She feeling good. They conned her out of a bunch of money.
That they did.
They got me for a little bit. Oh, poor boys outdoors. Got all kinds of stuff. I'm good. Appreciate it. I'm good. Everybody here in the world trying to sell something. That's where we picked the bus up. Right here. You got a while to wait.
I have to say these were the best nachos I ever had in my life.